Now, chapter number 5. Now we will discuss here topic number 5.10. In case of states of matter, three different type of states of matter are. One is solid, second one is liquid, and third one we can say that gas is there. Clear? तो अब हम लोग क्या डिस्कस करें? गैस वाला पूरा हो गया है. सॉलिड वाला we will discuss in 12th standard, chapter number 1. Now we will discuss here liquid state. मतलब गैस वाला फेज पूरा कंप्लीट हो गया है. तो नाउ वी विल डिस्कस हियर लिक्विड स्टेट. तो लिक्विड में कैसा होता है? सी इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर फोर्सेस, ये देखो, इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर फोर्सेस आर स्ट्रॉन्गर इन लिक्विड स्टेट देन इन गैसियस स्टेट. गैस में इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर फोर्सेस आर वीक. तो मॉलिक्यूल इन लिक्विड आर सो क्लोज दैट देयर इज अ वेरी लिटल एम्प्टी स्पेस बिटवीन देम अंडर नॉर्मल कंडीशन, है ना. लिक्विड्स आर डेंसर देन गैसेस. यदि मैं लिक्विड और गैस की बात करूं, इन केस ऑफ लिक्विड here distance between two atom will be, we can say that, less as compared to gaseous one. Clear हुआ कि नहीं? Now molecules of liquid, ये देखो, molecule of liquids are held together by attractive intermolecular forces. Clear? So liquid have definite volume because molecule do not separate from each other. However, molecule of liquid can move, है ना, past one another freely. Clear हुआ कि नहीं? Therefore, liquid can flow and can be poured and can assume the shape of the container in which these are stored. मतलब shape of liquid is directly associated with respect to, we can say it, shape of container. So why we can say it shape of liquid will be not fixed? Because in case of liquid, bond breaking and bond formation phenomenon will take place simultaneously. Clear हुआ? In the following section, we will look into some of the physical property. तो physical property में कौन कौन सा आता है? Number 1 is vapor pressure, number 2 is surface tension, and number 3 is viscosity. So these three different type of property we will discuss for, we can say that, liquid states of matter. One we can say that vapor pressure, second one is surface tension, and third one we can say that viscosity. So now vapor pressure. So what is meaning of vapor pressure? So pressure related with respect to vapor of any liquid, it is nothing but it is normally known as vapor pressure. तो चलो यहाँ पे मैं बात करूँ, देखो, for example, in an evacuated, मतलब blend, in an evacuated container is partially filled with a liquid, है ना. A portion of liquid evaporate to fill the remaining volume of the container with vapor. जितनी जगह खाली है, क्लियर हुआ, उतनी जगह को कौन फुलफिल करता है? तो vapor of any liquid. तो initially the liquid evaporate and pressure exerted by vapor on wall of the container increases. यहाँ पे क्या होगा? Pressure related with respect to vapor, है ना, it will increases. But after some time it becomes constant and equilibrium is established. Clear? जैसे ही आपका maximum liquid is converted into vapor on the basis of size of container, here means first of all speed will be fast, but after some time whenever complete space will be occupied by vapor of liquid, then here what will happen? The speed will become slow. So now after some time it become constant and equilibrium is established between liquid phase and vapor phase. So vapor pressure at this stage is known as equilibrium vapor pressure or saturated vapor pressure. Clear? So what is vapor pressure? So pressure related with respect to vapor. So this one is nothing but it is normally known as vapor pressure. जैसा भी एक पेट्रोल है, तो पेट्रोल का वेपर प्रेशर विल बी मोर एज कंपेयर टू, वी कैन से दैट, वाटर मॉलिक्यूल. एज कंपेयर टू, हियर वी कैन से दैट वाटर मॉलिक्यूल इज देयर. क्लियर? तो नाउ नेक्स्ट वन, तो सिंस प्रोसेस ऑफ वेपराइजेशन इज टेम्परेचर डिपेंडेंट, है ना. सिंस प्रोसेस ऑफ वेपराइजेशन इज टेम्परेचर डिपेंडेंट, द टेम्परेचर मस्ट बी मेंशन्ड while recording the vapor pressure of any liquid. Clear हुआ कि नहीं? तो देख, अभी जैसे ये कोई कंटेनर है, सी, तो दिस वन इज अगेन वी कैन सी दैट हियर मींस कंटेनर, और ये आपका लिक्विड है. क्लियर हुआ कि नहीं? तो दिस वन इज लिक्विड। अब इसमें कैसा होगा? हियर वी कैन से दैट वेपर में बी जनरेटेड आउट। इसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? वेपर। तो व्हेनेवर वी आर इंक्रीजिंग टेम्परेचर देन मैक्सिमम लिक्विड कैन बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू वेपर वन। तब देखो ये लिक्विड आ गया, दिस वन इज लिक्विड एंड दिस one is again we can say that vapor. So one is liquid and second one is vapor. Clear हुआ? So now here, so when a liquid is heated in an open vessel, the liquid vaporizes from the surface. कहाँ से होता है? इसको हम लोग surface बोलते हैं। तो यहाँ से normally vaporization will start it. So when a liquid is heated in open vessel, the liquid vaporizes from the surface at the temperature at which vapor pressure of liquid become equal to external pressure. So vaporization can occur throughout the bulk of the liquid and vapor expand freely into the surrounding. जितना एरिया है वो सब में क्या होगा? जैसे ये एरिया है, here vapor will be generated out or this area will be covered by we can say vapor. Now the condition of free vaporization throughout the liquid is known as boiling. So this is definition of boiling. The condition of free vaporization throughout the liquid is known as boiling, and temperature at which vapor pressure of liquid is equal to external pressure is known as boiling temperature at that pressure. Clear? यहाँ पे definition किसका मैंने बताया? Here vapor pressure and then after we can say that boiling and then after we can say that here means boiling temperature. So see in our book, so here vapor pressure of different liquid is given we can say that in tabular form. Clear हुआ कि नहीं? ये है vapor pressure का। आफ्टर ऑल देख आपको ये याद रखने का, if temperature will increases तो vapor pressure of material will increase. Correct? Now in case of liquid state, है ना, थोड़ा बहुत पोर्शन में पहले बता चुका हूँ। इन केस ऑफ लिक्विड स्टेट नॉर्मली व्हाट विल हैपन? सी एट 1 atmospheric pressure boiling temperature is known as normal boiling point. Clear? If pressure is 1 bar then the boiling point is normally known as standard boiling point of the liquid. Clear? If pressure is 1 bar then whatever boiling point is there, it is normally known as standard boiling point of any liquid. The standard boiling point of liquid is slightly lower. This is lower than the normal boiling point because at 1 bar pressure is slightly less than 1 atmospheric pressure. Clear? Again I am repeating. The standard boiling point of liquid is slightly lower than the normal boiling point. Because 1 bar pressure is slightly less than 1 atmospheric pressure. For example, see in case of water, normal boiling point is 100 degree, while standard boiling point is 99.6 degree. देखिए यहाँ सेल्सियस को हम लोग ने केल्विन में कन्वर्ट किया. Clear? Now at high altitude, atmospheric pressure is low. At high altitude, atmospheric pressure is again we can say it low. Therefore, liquid at high altitude boil at lower temperature in comparison to that at sea level. Clear? So since water boil at low temperature on hills and the pressure cooker is used for cooking food. Clear हुआ? चलो in hospital देखो ये सबका importance कहाँ पे आता है? In hospital surgical instruments are sterilized. Sterilized मतलब germ free. In autoclave in which boiling point of water is high or increases by increase the pressure above the atmospheric pressure by using a weight covering the vent here. Clear हुआ कि नहीं? Sir man, in hospital surgical instruments are sterilized in autoclave in which boiling point of water is high by increasing the pressure above the atmospheric pressure by using a weight covering the vent. Clear? Now अब देखो ऐसे ही similarly तो boiling does not occur when liquid is heated in closed vessel. यदि vessel close होगा तो boiling is not possible. On heating continuously vapor pressure increases. suppose if you are heating continuously, then vapor pressure will increases. At first a clear boundary is visible between liquid and vapor phase because liquid is more dense than the vapor. Clear? At first, a clear boundary is visible between liquid and vapor phase because liquid is more dense than the vapor. So this is complete information of, we can say that here is vapor pressure. Now, as the temperature increases, more and more molecule go to vapor phase and density of vapor increases. As the temperature increases, more and more molecule go to vapor phase and density of vapor rises. At the same time, liquid become less dense. It expands because molecules more apart. So when density of liquid and vapor becomes the same, the clear boundary between liquid and vapor disappear and this temperature is known as critical temperature, जो कि हम लोग टॉपिक नंबर 5.9 में डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. क्लियर हुआ कि नहीं? Here we see definition of critical temperature is also given. So this is complete information of, we can say, that vapor pressure. So now we will discuss here new parameter. It is normally known as surface tension. So what is surface tension? So tension which is applied by surface molecule on first layer of any liquid, it is nothing but it is normally known as surface tension. Clear हुआ कि नहीं? चलो, and due to presence of surface tension, here we can say that shape of any liquid can be explained. So it is well known that liquid assume the shape of container. ये आपको पहले से पता है. It is well known fact that liquid assume the shape of the container. Clear? So why is it then small drop of mercury form spherical bead instead of spreading on the surface? देखिए कुछ questions हैं which is related with respect to surface. So first question, why is it that small drops of mercury form spherical bead instead of spreading on the surface? Then second one, why do particle of soil at the bottom of river remain separated but they stick together when taken out? Now third one, so why, here we can see the third portion. तो why does a liquid rise or fall in thin capillary? Capillary मतलब बहुत पतला होता है जिसका क्रॉस सेक्शनल एरिया छोटा हो. So thin capillary as soon as the capillary touches the surface of the liquid. Clear? So these three phenomena are related with respect to surface tension. So all these phenomena are caused due to the characteristics property of liquid which is normally known as surface tension. Clear? तो दिस इज नथिंग बट इट इज, वी कैन से दैट सरफेस टेंशन. देख इसमें कैसा होता है, जैसे चलो मैंने कंटेनर लिया है, यहाँ पे चलो ये आपका कंटेनर है. अब ये कंटेनर में कैसा होता है, ये लिक्विड होता है, लिक्विड. क्लियर? और जैसे यहाँ पे मैंने कैपिलरी लिया, जैसे ही आप कैपिलरी को यहाँ टच करते हो अंदर छोटा सा पतला होता है. तो जैसे ही आपने कैपिलरी इंसर्ट किया तो नॉर्मली व्हाट विल हैपन, सी एज टाइम विल इंक्रीजेस, तो धीरे धीरे सी द लेवल ऑफ दिस वाटर मॉलिक्यूल will increase here. Clear? This is capillary and green color will represent, here we can say that water molecule. So whenever we are inserting this capillary, so see actual volume is this one. This is, we can, actual volume of water. But see here as time will increases, the level of water will increase in this capillary. So why this type of phenomenon will take place? So this is related with respect to surface tension. Now next one. A molecule in bulk of liquid experience equal we can say that intermolecular forces. A molecule in the bulk of the liquid experiences equal intermolecular forces from all sides. The molecule therefore does not experience any net force, but for the molecule on the surface of liquid, net attractive force is toward the interior of the liquid due to the molecule below it, since there are no molecules above it. Clear work? Therefore we can say that liquid tend to minimize their surface area. In case of liquid, what will happen? See, gas will always try to increase its surface area, but liquid will always tend to minimize their surface area. Correct? So this is complete information of surface tension. Now here, this is chapter number 5, remaining portion of liquid state. तो लिक्विड स्टेट में मैंने आगे भी सब बता दिया है. तो नाउ हियर द मॉलिक्यूल ऑन सरफेस, इधर देखो, the molecule on the surface experience a net downward force and have more energy than the molecule in the bulk. जो surface पे होता है उसके पास more energy is there as compared to bulk one. So which do not experience any net force. Therefore, liquid tend to minimum number of molecule at their surface. Surface पे क्या होगा? Minimum number of molecule will be there. If surface of liquid is increases by pulling a molecule from the bulk, the attractive forces will have to be overcome. So this will require an expenditure of energy. So this will require, here we can say, expenditure of energy. Now energy required to increase the surface area of liquid by 1 unit is defined as surface energy. So this is definition of surface energy. Energy required to increase the surface area of liquid by 1 unit is defined as surface energy, and the dimension is joule per meter square. The dimension will be again with joule per meter square. देखो बीकर है, surface molecule net attraction into the liquid है, और ये क्या है? इंटीरियर मॉलिक्यूल, तो attracted in all direction, हर तरह से उसको attraction होता है. Clear? So surface tension, in this way we can say that the surface tension is defined as the force acting per unit length perpendicular to the line drawn on the surface of the liquid. ये है ना? Surface tension is defined as the force acting per unit length perpendicular to the line drawn on the surface of the liquid. Clear? Now it is represented. It is represented with Greek letter. Here means gamma will be there, and its dimension is kilogram per second square, and SI unit is Newton per meter. Clear हुआ कि नहीं? डायमेंशन क्या है? किलोग्राम पर सेकंड स्क्वायर, एसआई यूनिट क्या है? न्यूटन पर मीटर. So this is complete information in case of we can say that here means surface tension. Clear? अब मैं आगे लेके चलूं. यहाँ पे देखो, the lowest energy state here, the lowest energy state of liquid will be when surface area is minimum. If surface area will be minimum, then lowest energy. Spherical shape here. Spherical shape satisfy this condition. That is why mercury drops are spherical in shape. So this is the reason that sharp glass edges are heated for making them smooth. Clear हुआ कि नहीं? इसको smooth बनाने के लिए क्या करना पड़ता है? तो here we are heating it. Clear? Now next one, on heating the glass melt and the surface of the liquid tend to take the rounded shape. जैसे ही आप इसको हीट करोगे, यहाँ पे rounded shape आ जाएगा. Rounded shape at the edges, which makes the edges smooth. So this is known as fire polishing of glass. कोई पूछे what is meaning of fire polishing of glass? So here this is related with respect to heating purpose. So whenever we are heating it, here means what will happen? Here means see, here sharp edge will be again means comes out. So now liquid tends to rise or fall in capillary. अब देखो रीजन बता रहा, पहले क्वेश्चन आ गया. Capillary because of surface tension. This is first example. Clear? Liquid weight the things because they spread across their surface as thin film. यहाँ पे thin film will be there. So moist soil grains are pulled together because surface area of thin film on the water is reduced. Clear? It is surface tension which gives stretching property to the surface of liquid. तब देखो तीन एग्जांपल मैंने बताया related with respect to surface tension. तब क्या बोल रहा है? It is surface tension which gives stretching property to the surface of the liquid. On flat surface, droplets are slightly flattened by the effect of gravity. है ना? If surface will be flat, the droplets are slightly flattened by the effect of gravity. But in gravity free environment, drops are perfectly spherical. Free environment, है ना? Drops are perfectly, we can say it spherical. The magnitude of surface tension of liquid depends on attractive forces between the molecule. Clear हुआ? Again I am repeating. The magnitude of surface tension मतलब कितना surface tension होगा किसके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है? तो magnitude of surface tension of liquid depends on attractive forces between the molecule, and when the attractive forces are large, the surface tension is large. Increase in temperature increases the kinetic energy of the molecule, and effectiveness of intermolecular attraction decreases. So surface tension decreases as temperature is increased. Here the surface tension will, we can say that, decreases. The surface tension decreases as the, we can say, the temperature will increase here. So this is complete information of, we can say, that surface tension. देखो आपको यहाँ पे क्या करना है, आप ऐसे कर सकते हो. If any liquid is present in thick amount, whenever your liquid is again is present in thick amount, तो surface tension will be again, we can say that, more here. तो आपको डेफिनेशन याद रखना है surface tension का, surface energy का, and then after gamma represented with the help of gamma. तो डायमेंशन किलोग्राम पर सेकंड स्क्वायर है और ऐसा यूनिट इज न्यूटन पर मीटर इज देयर. क्लियर? आप ऐसे ही बोल सकते हो. तो ड्यू टू प्रेजेंस ऑफ सरफेस टेंशन, ड्यू टू प्रेजेंस ऑफ सरफेस टेंशन, here shape of liquid will be again, we can say that, fixed here. Clear? Now new topic is viscosity. So what is meaning of viscosity? Viscosity मतलब related with respect to thickness of any liquid. The thickness of any liquid will be more, so whenever we can say that amount of solute particle will be more here. Clear? We can say that it is one of the characteristics property of any liquid. The viscosity, and it is one of the important characteristic property of liquid. So viscosity is measure of resistance to flow which arises due to internal friction between layer of fluid as they slip past one another while liquid will flow. Clear? Whenever we can say that three layers are there, जैसे देखो अभी ये प्लेन है, here we three layers are there. तो ग्रीन वाला मिडल लेयर है, रेड वाला अपर है और ब्लू वाला लोअर है. तो ब्लू वाले की स्पीड कम होती है ना, रेड वाले की ज्यादा होती है. क्लियर हुआ कि नहीं? तो नाउ the strong intermolecular forces between molecule hold them together and resist movement of layer past one another. Clear? So when a liquid flows over a fixed surface, whenever we can see that surface will be fixed, the layer of molecule in the immediate contact of surface is stationary. Clear? The velocity of upper layer increases. Velocity of upper layer increases as the distance of layer from the fixed layer will increases here. Clear? So this type of flow in which there is a regular gradation, gradation मतलब change, different, regular gradation of velocity in passing from one layer to the next is known as laminar flow. So this one is nothing but it is known as laminar flow. देखो रेड वाला है ना, उसकी वेलोसिटी u है, ऊपर जाओ तो प्लस du, नीचे आओ तो माइनस du will be there. Clear? So if we choose any layer in the flowing liquid, the layer above its accelerate its flow and layer below this retard its flow. ऊपर जाएगा तो एक्सेलरेट होता है मतलब इंक्रीज होता है, और नीचे आ जाएगा तो क्या होगा, रिटार्ड होता है, स्टॉप होता है. क्लियर? तो नाउ if the velocity of layer at a distance dz is changed by value du, then velocity gradient is given by the amount here du upon dz. So what is d? D is small difference. A force is required to maintain the flow of layer. So this force is proportional to the area of contact of layer and velocity gradient, that is F proportional to A. So A is the area of contact and F proportional to du upon dz. So what is du upon dz? So this is velocity gradient. Gradient का मतलब होता है difference, the change in velocity with distance. तो अब ये दोनों को कंबाइन करो तो F proportional to A du upon dz. जैसे ही proportionality symbol लिया यहाँ पे eta आ जाता है. Here we can say that new term eta will be there. तो दिस ईटा इज नथिंग बट इट इज हियर प्रोपोर्शनैलिटी कांस्टेंट, और दूसरे सेंस में बोले तो कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ विस्कोसिटी इज देयर। क्लियर? ये जो आया ना ईटा, तो दिस इज वी कैन से दैट कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ विस्कोसिटी। तो ईटा इज मेजर ऑफ विस्कोसिटी, ऐसा यूनिट इज न्यूटन सेकंड पर मीटर स्क्वायर या तो पास्कल सेकंड होता है। इन सीजीएस इट इज पॉइस, तो कौन से साइंटिस्ट के नाम पे है? जीन लुइस पॉइसले। क्लियर? 1 पॉइस याद रखने का, 1 पॉइस इज इक्वल टू 1 ग्राम सेंटीमीटर सेकंड और वी कैन 10⁻⁻1 किलोग्राम मीटर पर सेकंड। ये 1 मार्क्स में आता है। तो greater the viscosity, more slowly the liquid will flow. Clear? Greater, if viscosity will be greater, so greater the viscosity, more slowly the liquid will flow. So hydrogen bonding, van der Waals forces are strong enough to cause high viscosity. मतलब high viscosity के लिए which one is responsible? So hydrogen bonding and then after van der Waals forces. So glass is C. So glass is an extremely viscous liquid. It is so viscous that many of its property resembles solid. है ना? ग्लास की प्रॉपर्टी क्या है? तो close to we consider can be solid. So property of flow of glass can be experienced by measuring the thickness of window panes. जितना thick होगा ना, उतना viscosity will be more. Of all buildings, so these become thicker at the bottom than the top one. यदि आप ग्लास विंडो को ऑब्जर्व करो, it will be again means thickened one. Here means at bottom side as compared to top one. So viscosity of liquid decreases as the temperature rises. Viscosity of liquid decreases as the temperature rises or increase, because at high temperature molecules have high kinetic energy. Clear? And can overcome the intermolecular forces to slip past one another between the layer. So whenever we can say that temperature will increases, if we can say that here means temperature will increase, so what will happen? Here amount of frictional force will decreases, है ना? If temperature will increases, the amount of frictional force will decreases. So ultimately we can say that rate of flow of any layer will increase here. So this is complete information of viscosity. Correct or not?